Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can install Google Chat on your iPhone. So select the App Store, type in Google Chat, select that, and you're just going to install it. I'm not going to press install though because I will show the my Apple ID. But you're just going to install and you're going to insert your information. And it's a free app. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for staying until the end. Goodbye.